Good Monday morning. I wanted to go over the assignment and expectation today since there is no live session. We are now in week 5 of the last 9 weeks. So if you owe any work at this point, you need to make sure that you have made up any and all assignments from this point forward. So in week 5, we're going to finish up our last type of ways to solve a system of equations, and this is called by elimination. And elimination means to eliminate. So there are 2 different videos on notes. One is longer than the others. It goes through the steps that you need to use in order to solve a system of equation by elimination. It starts off with easy examples and works the way up to harder examples. And then I have just a couple of YouTube videos on for extra help if you need, and then there's a short assignment. In order to do this assignment, you do need notebook paper. The expectation is for you to work these out on paper using the techniques in the above videos. So there's no way to do this in your head. You need to work out in paper and pencil, and of course you can use a calculator. There are 3 different types of answers you can get. You are typing it in the blank. So if you solve and you get an ordered pair, of course you would write that, say the ordered pair, you solve and you get x is 4, and you solve and you substitute that in, and you solve and you get y is -3. Your answer would be 4, comma, space, -3, close your parenthesis. So the spacing has to be perfect in order to get this problem right. I just made up those numbers, so those are not your answers, I don't believe, unless I'm just, well, it's good like that. So if your answer is an ordered pair, you would type it like that. If you solve and you get 0, you're just going to type 0 in the blank. If you get infinity, like they equal each other, then you would type in the word infinite, spelled above. And so those are the 3 ways you're going to submit your answers to these questions. There are 4 of them. They all have the same directions. They all have 2 equations. Some are harder looking than others because the some of the equations are already written in y equals format, slope-intercept form. Some already have a variable by itself, which makes it a little easier, and some you actually have to multiply a different coefficient to everything in order to make the coefficients equal. And if you don't know what that means, you need to watch the video on the notes. So again, today on Monday, May 3rd, the expectation is for you to watch the notes. Since you don't have to take them, I did them for you. You have watched this video and you are working on the 4-question assignment. And I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for class.